You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
The OnePlus Turbo lineup, especially the Turbo 6, feels very closely related to the Ace series. Right out of the box, it comes in a bold red package, and even the inner packaging carries the Turbo branding. This is clearly positioned as a gaming-focused device, highlighted by its 165 Hz ultra-high refresh rate. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Inside the box, you get a gray silicone phone case, and at the bottom there's OnePlus's signature red charging cable paired with 80-watt fast charging. The back of the phone has a subtle metallic texture that gives it a solid, premium vibe the moment you hold it. Along the edges, you'll notice a naked eye 3D effect created by finely engraved lines, and if you look carefully, the center of the back panel features a brushed finish. Overall, the design feels polished and well thought out. The rear camera module has a slightly Apple-inspired look with large rounded corners that visually align with the phone's frame. The camera housing itself is metal, and it includes two cameras, what looks like a laser sensor and a flash. The frame transitions smoothly all around, and on the front, you get a flat display with evenly sized borders. The bezel thickness is reasonable, and the front appearance is quite clean and appealing. After doing a quick setup and jumping into the system, the first impression is just how smooth everything feels. The phone uses a BOE display with 165 Hz refresh rate, and you can clearly see it hitting that maximum, which really emphasizes its gaming-first positioning. For eye comfort, it also includes the Bright Eyes Eye Protection feature, because long gaming sessions are fun, but taking care of your eyes matters too. Powering the whole device is a massive 9,000 mAh Glacier battery. Combined with the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 Winpool Edition chip, which had already scored over 2.5 million points in previous benchmarks, the Turbo 6 delivers extremely strong performance. Battery life, as you'd expect, is absolutely insane. For a phone built around gaming with this kind of hardware and such a huge battery, endurance is on another level. This is the definition of performance overkill, and honestly, it feels like a real showstopper. So that's a quick hands-on look at the design and overall feel of the Turbo 6. Now the big question is price. Lately, a lot of people are saying it could land around the 2,000 yuan range, which is roughly 213 pounds in the UK or about $286 in the US. And when you think about it, with 2026 right around the corner, the value this phone offers suddenly looks extremely competitive. In its price segment, it might be the only phone with a massive 9,000 mAh battery and a 165 Hz high refresh rate display. So what do you think about the Turbo 6?